Most brake discs don't have are not directional. It doesn't really matter which side you put them on. You can put the pack on any side. But on the 911, the idea is that these vent holes are pointing towards the back of the car, and you can see here that all the vent holes are pointing the wrong direction. They're pointing towards the front of the car. This is on the front brake disc. So when the garage had fitted the brake discs for the previous owner, they've put them on the wrong way. So I just need to go now, take the brake discs off from both sides, and then be able to just refit them round the other way, and then these vent holes will be pointing towards the back of the car and it will all be good. First step that I've got to do is to remove these two screws which hold the brake disc on to the hub, and then move the caliper. So we now have both discs swapped over on the correct way. You can see the lines facing to the back here. Put new screws, or one new screw on here where the other one was burred away. Calipers refitted, bolts tightened up, so we're all ready to put the wheel back on, and that's the job done.